Anytime we design a project for the magazine, we focus on a couple key things. The first is the design of the project. Of course, it needs to look great. But the second thing is the techniques you're going to learn as you build it.
That's really the case with this curved tray centerpiece project. Of course, a small project like this really is a great way to show off a nice looking piece of wood. But we also wanted to highlight a couple of key techniques.
Now, one of those techniques is creating the opening here at the center of the tray. The jigsaw is the tool of choice to remove the bulk of the waste. Of course, that's going to leave a rough, uneven edge. To smooth things out, we're going to use a shop-built jig and then take the blank and head over to the router table where you use the jig along with a flush trim bit to make smooth, straight edges.
From there, it's time to head over to one of my favorite power tools, and that's a bandsaw. The key here is learning how to use the bandsaw to get the best results, and that involves making some smooth flowing curves and then cutting the tray blank into smaller pieces and shaping those.
Of course, it all started out as a single blank, so all those parts need to be brought back together. So you learn some tips and tricks for gluing things up so everything stays nice and even and your end result looks great.
Of course, the starting point is selecting your board and preparing the blank.